All right, are we still good? I heard a noise, but I think we're still good. All right, so once you have identified your top and your bottom and pulled out your Fibonacci, you can see where your golden pocket is. And I know this is a little bit messy, but your golden pocket is between your 0.618 and your 0.786. If you did get a bounce from your golden pocket, then you can start to use the Fibonacci golden pocket theory. And as you can see, it played out absolutely perfectly. And you just identify that pivot point right at the bottom of the 786. Then you take away that Fibonacci, and then you pull out your trend-based Fibonacci extension, right, from the exact same 2 points, but then the Fibonacci extension is a 3-point tool. So you pull it out and you actually align it to that pivot point that you've identified, and then you can see it actually gives you these levels that I have put in green levels on my chart. And we've been watching these levels for a long time, and as you can see, they're extremely accurate. Right, we recently hit this 0.786 level pretty much to the dollar. Right, TA does not lie. You can see the double top that came in at this line to the dollar. Pretty amazing. So I'm sure some of you have used this tool before. As I say, please do go to the playlist. I'll actually quickly drop the playlist link to Mukhtar so he can.
Okay, nothing. So
yeah, he can quickly drop it in the channel.
After the Thomas send me the link, so I will share it to you now. So
okay, beautiful stuff. And I mean, so yeah, just some background on me. Basically, I've been trading now crypto for 15 years. So I've been through all of the mistakes, right? I've made all the horrible mistakes that you can make, and I've been through fixing the bad habits and making the good habits. So basically, after about 13 years of trading, I decided, okay, I know enough now to actually start to properly teach, and that's why I made this playlist. Right? So this playlist, I believe, at this point, it's all that you need to know to be a successful, profitable trader. If you spend your time studying these videos, you have enough here to create a trading plan for yourself and make money. You're also very welcome to, in these videos, just drop questions in the comments and I will always help you there. All right, so I think what I can do is just head to a bit of a cleaner chart on Ethereum. You know what? It's actually probably good that we have a little bit of a look at Bitcoin. All right, so let's clean this up, and I'm going to show you a couple of indicators that I use. I'm going to leave in these current levels for now, and wow, I mean, you can see the TA has just played out perfectly. Basically, the other day we popped in these two levels, boom, and boom, this level. I'm going to show you exactly how we got them, and there you can see the level played out perfectly back up to the other level, and I'll show you why I'm looking at a trade basically down here. So the first thing that's very important to always use on your charts, and yeah, you can actually see here that it's currently the video here with the most views. I do believe it really is an incredible tool, absolutely essential to understand, and that is your fixed range volume profile. I use it literally every single day. All right, so it basically just requires 2 points. You'll find it here under your volume-based tools, and favorite it, put it on your favorites so you can use it every day. It's this weird looking one here. But you basically just try and find the general current range and basically pop it to the bottom left and top right of that range. And it will actually give you a few very important things. It first of all will give you your value area high of the range, but you can just say value area high, and it will also give you your value area low of the range. And these are basically like your overbought and oversold levels. And here you can see just how well this works. Basically, if you did enter a trade below this blue line, you would currently be in profit. And if you entered your shorts above that blue line, you would have had two absolutely beautiful trades. I mean, this one over here especially, really, really nice trade, 10% on Bitcoin. All right, and as we can see also here, very important to understand how to use your RSI and how to use your divergences. This trade was given to you by this beautiful bearish divergence on the daily time frame on your RSI. And especially if you are a beginner trader, it's very important to, I think, stick to the larger time frames as much as you can, stick to the daily time frame, but we can see very beautiful, very simple, identified a massive bearish divergence, which is basically a higher high in price and a lower high in momentum. There's a full video on this right here, relative strength index, that will actually tell you exactly how to understand these divergences and how to trade them. All right, another very important thing to understand on the fixed range volume profile is your POC, which is your point of control. Right, this is not a level that you trade from, but it is a level which tells you a lot. So you only trade from this level and you trade from this level. But once you move away from this higher level or this lower level, you make a move towards the point of control. So here you can see you moved away from the value area high towards POC. Two things can happen. Either your POC will hold you and it will push you back up to value area high, or you will lose your POC. And that is a sign that you are going down to your value area low. So right now, as you can see, we are making a move away from the value area low back up towards the point of control of the current range. And this fixed range volume profile is a tool that you can throw onto